gear run as well.
You're getting rid of the fifth gear runs?
Yeah, getting rid of the fifth and sixth to see if there's any difference. So, let's get it back that nice bright colours.
Shit! That makes as much power as the brand new 2017 Honda Fireblade.
Yep.
That makes this naked bike makes as much power as a new Fireblade. I am astonished. I'm astonished because this was. I mean, what's the torque? Is that in foot-pounds? What's the torque in noddies?
Right. Newton meters, 110.
110, right. This is Euro 4. We know they've mucked about inside the engine, and they've actually managed to make it more powerful. Significantly, that's 7 horsepower up on the last one.
Let's have a look.
Try and find the last one.
The last one, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last one we were 154.
And 107.
107. And it revs more as well.
Yeah.
It's got about another 500 RPM on it.
I'm blown away. I'm absolutely. I mean, do you know? I'll be honest. It does feel super fit when you're on it, but I'm actually blown away by that.
It's as good as the first RSV4 for a naked bike.
Yeah, it's the same power.
Same power.
Yeah, in fact, it's more because that would make 155, 160 depending on what day it was.
Let's have a quick look. Back in 2009.
Yeah. Murders it, in fact.
Right, yeah. Let's get rid of that one. Let's get rid of that one. There we go.
Look at that. Boom.
So that's like 10 horsepower, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. 10 to 12 horsepower all the way through the range.
Yeah, I mean, it is 1100, but still, I mean, wow.
For a naked bike.
That's amazing. That is amazing. I know, like the Super Duke does 150, and the MT10 is about. Well, no, the MT10 is 138, 139,
like
140. The S1000R is 148, 149 on here, but that is.
It's about 10 at least 10 horsepower up on all our naked bikes.
Do you know they are the only manufacturer to come out of Euro 4 making more power than before? All the rest have lost power. They're the only ones. I mean, okay, we've not tried the new Super Duke yet. We've not done it that, which we'll get around to. But still, that is just astonishing. And it really is as good to ride as you might think. So thank you very much for that, William.
Okay.
Say goodbye, William.
Bye.